Hi everybody. Today I will explain how to active Synology Drive on your devices, computer, laptop or anything. Before we start, please ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. So, to download the Synology driver, you will open this link. I will write it in the description. So you will select this link, then choose the correct extension MSI or exe and 32 bits or 64 bits. So I will select this, for example. It will open downloader. So after we download it, this is the setup wizard. Click next, I accept, next, install. Launch application when finished. Okay, click finish. You will find here three fields. The first one asking you for Synology NAS and you will find the Synology NAS in this PDF file or in description. I will write it for you. Dotec-international. We will just copy it and put it here. The login username. The login username for anybody in Dotec will be your email without @dotecengineering.com, and the password will be Dotec password, the first password you got when you joined us. So we will click next. You will find this message popped up. So it requested two-factor authenticator. We will start from here. We will open the link. You can find these links in the description. So go on and it will ask you for, you need to enter your user like what we did, your Dotec email without @dotecengineering.com. So click next. Here is your Dotec password. Again, stay signed in. Okay, next, start. So select the method to reset your password if you forget it, or to confirm that you were trying to log in. I prefer to select this. Click next, next. So now it will tell you about the secure sign-in application from Synology. If you're using iPhone, you need to open this link or search about it in your phone. You should write Synology Secure Sign-In, or from Android you will search for Synology Secure Sign-In. Let's go for my Android mobile. But before we go, click next. It will request the OTP and will request to use the camera in the application to scan QR code below. Let's try to enter. Let's search for Synology Drive, Secure Sign-In, Synology Secure Sign-In. Okay, here it is. Install the application. Now we should open the application. Accept the rules. Next, next, next. Okay, add your device. Allow camera access. Allow using the application. So you need just to scan the QR code. OTP. Okay, it's done. And you will find yourself on something like desktop. This is the Synology Drive. So now you can log in here with the same username and password. Try again, test connection. Okay, you can enter here the OTP. So check your mobile again, secure sign-in application, and you will enter the OTP shown to you. My OTP will be 599209. Click OK. It will check your username and password. Sync task. Click next. Select your NAS drive which you need to view on the Synology Drive. I will, for example, select international team folder if I need all folders here, or will select customers folder, or any folder I need from here. Okay, click OK and select your drive, your partition. So I will select Dotec work, for example, and create an empty Synology drive. Click OK. It will create empty folder. Click done to apply changes, and disconnection again. Okay, it will apply change. Then skip this. If you want to view it, no problem, just view it. Open the folder. You will find it now syncing the tasks and folders. So you will find this reconnecting and trying to sync everything. It will belong for your connection speed. If your internet stable and speed, it will take a little time. Okay, see you in the next time. Thank you everybody. Thank you.